the bearded practitioner. I almost forgot your name. And me,
Dad.
Caden. Yep.
Caden.
Dad and Daddy and Papa and that's all.
Papa.
I don't know. I mean, it's another word for dad, so.
True. Okay, so what's your pun of the day, Mr.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, and also welcome everybody to the video. And also, my pun of the day is, you better be nice. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I can't. I hate copyright rules.
Okay,
They
Caden.
destroyed this file.
What do we got?
Alright, go.
Okay, show me where it's...
So it is an unboxing today, guys, from Miner's Beard Company. My dad's been really excited about this one. Like, the first thing when we came in, I'm playing my tablet, right? He come in saying, alright, Kay, we gotta do this video. It's like, yes, Miner's Beard Company. It's like, so.
Is that what I did?
Yeah.
Because I'm excited about it?
Yeah. So, I'm excited too, because if he's very excited, I don't know.
Yeah.
Today's a good day. We'll just put in those.
We got scissors today, but they're big scissors.
Last time we've had to use it by hand because we can't find scissors. These scissors are next to a spatula in a basket where only spatulas and spoons go. So it's like, wait a minute.
Okay, Caden.
I take my time.
Ooh,
and then
it's a...
fly away.
Caden, look.
All right. I had to make a remix of the song, unless you can sing You can sing a different version of the song.
Caden, it's a box.
Double packaging. That's
a
nice.
Box with
So that
a
means it's
box.
very glass. It's very glass.
You think it's very glass?
It's very glass if there's
it
double
has that
packaging.
same problem again, no.
Oh, it does.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you're going the wrong direction. There was an easier way right here.
Where? You think right there? I just wanted to start scanning boxes. Oh, Caden.
Let's go. Did you
Packing material.
That was probably something we should have read.
Maybe.
Okay. I'm sorry, Miner. I'm going to get that again. He spent time to put that in the packaging, so we're going to get that.
It's just shipping label, buddy.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just a shipping label.
I thought it was something else. I thought he worked hard to put that in there, and you just went, yeet! That's cool.
So, that's...
It even has the cartoony.
Yeah, do you know who that is?
Okay.
That's my buddy, Barbado Joe.
He made this?
No, he didn't make it, but... Oh,
hey,
and look at the bottom of that. Ooh, some stickers.
A sticker. There's more than just a sticker, Dad. There's a school.
Ooh.
Hey, here's an...
So where's it
from?
from?
I'm sorry.
So this is a big question.
Here's an extra little pun for you guys. I got a skeleton of puns for you.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do this one first because this one has a very, like, nice kind of like smooth cover. Like, feel the cover on this.
The label.
Yeah, the label.
Very nice label. Yes.
Ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, grape seed oil, avocado oil, beeswax, fragrance oils.
Fragrance oils. What do you think it smells like? Ooh, that's a... Ooh, look at that.
Oh my. It's so good.
Oh, that is nice.
It's so good.
Yeah. What does it smell like? Apples?
I literally smell... What do you think it smells like? Let me get one more whiff.
Smells like apples.
Apples, yeah. And apple perfume.
Mmm.
Like, you know that perfume Mom sprays on her? It's kind of appley? That.
Hey. Yep,
it smells
nice.
amazing.
It is amazing. Okay, so this is the Covenant Co-Wash. I've been dying to try a new co-wash.
Dad, I think it has one of the pictures of the Last Supper.
The Covenant. You think so?
Yeah, it has the picture of the Last Supper. Look, he has a plate.
Oh, that's cool.
And look, it's literally what's on Grandpa's wall. Those two talking.
Oh, the Last Supper.
Yeah, the Last Supper.
That's cool.
That's cool. Some people probably don't believe in what I believe in or Dad believes in, but he believes in two things. He believes in a God and Buddha. I believe in both as well. Ooh.
That's cool.
Hey, you want to know the funny part?
What?
Start looking up ingredients.
Oh, I already know the ingredients.
Oh, you do? Nice. All right, so here's the ingredients for the Covenant co-wash. Is this like a beard soap?
So it's like a beard wash.
Okay. Ingredients: purified water, organic
It's a
coconut
co-wash,
oil,
so it's a conditioner wash.
organic sunflower seed oil, saturated alcohol, cocoa glucoside.
I don't know.
Organic shea butter, xanthan gum, apricot kernel oil. I can't say that word.
That's
was
okay.
a very long word.
Something.
No, that's rude. Read it.
I can't read it. I'm too blind.
PHENOXYETHANOL.
Phenol.
Yeah.
Something.
Organic. Aloe or vera. Leaf juice powder. Aloe vera. And
where's aloe vera at,
citric
Caden?
acid, tocopherol, lactic acid, benzoic acid, I'm sorry, I can't.
You don't have to read all.
I'm terrible. I'm sorry. I'm terrible at
but
reading
it smells like. So it's a bunch of stuff.
Hey,
that's good
you're gonna open it and then you're gonna smell it first. It actually smells so good.
Does it?
It smells so good.
Oh, that does.
A little action on the hand, Dad?
Ooh.
No, a little action in the beard.
No, not today. I already have stuff in. But,
all right.
However.
Wipe it on the hand then. Wipe that on the hand.
Oh, there you go. You can smell it in. What do you think? So, it is frankincense.
And I'm gonna say it right now. I don't care how much.
Tell the frankincense.
I don't care how much money that was. I don't care how much money that is. You guys should definitely go get it. That stuff smells so good, and we still have two more, an oil and a butter, it seems, and it smells really good.
Yep.
Like, I feel like for this one right here, I feel like that's how you imagine what the Last Supper smelled like.
Yeah.
So thank you for giving us this, and it's doing great, or it smells great.
Yep.
And one sec, I'm gonna think. I don't know what I was talking. Never mind. Sorry, I'm confused.
Okay, so that's the
and
butter.
then let it go. Something more to clean up afterwards.
Is it a bomb?
I can do it. I'm gonna do it.
It didn't have a.
All right, I'm gonna ask you as a favor for me. Make these, instead of a pull off one, make it have twists so I can do the pro ways of the untyings.
You're silly.
The cornman, be true to your beard. Moisturizing and conditioning. Miner's beard. They're very nice soy bowls.
They are.
Again, it is the final.
This Last Supper.
Last Supper. Also,
what does it smell like?
I wanted you to read us the ingredients because you said you knew them.
I know them. I said it is what?
Oh wait, isn't this the same as the other one?
It is the same
okay,
as the other, but except for that one's a co-wash. But yep.
It smells so good.
It does smell really good. Does it smell like the? Now we'll go try the oil. Do you think there's a difference between the oil?
Now we'll see. Cause like I know oils, like the soap and oil, I think they're gonna smell a lot more similar.
Yep, those are really nice.
Because the oil and soap are watery.
So that's like
the oil is gonna smell more.
Frankincense,
the oil. Wait, I'm gonna say
myrrh, and oud.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You finish what you were saying.
I said what I said.
Okay, so The oil, I feel like it's going to be the stronger smell because the oil mixes in well, and then the soap has other materials to make it kind of like soapy.
Okay.
So this one's just straight liquid, so this one's going to smell very strong probably.
You think so?
I don't know if I'm tying it off or not. You need to help me with it because now I'm forgetting how to untie and tie. It actually has a lighter smell, and it actually smells amazing. It smells really good, but it has a lighter smell.
Okay, so let's try it on the skin. There you go. What do you say? What do you think?
I say really good.
Good?
And sadly, that was our final.
Yep.
So thank you so much, Miner's Beard, and we'll definitely buy more from you. It was amazing for us to do an unboxing with you.
Yep.
And hopefully sooner or later we can do a live stream.
Yep.
And for the other people, please hit the like button, please hit the notifications, and subscribe.
Yep.
Thank you, and see you soon.
Yep. Cool.
Peace.